Hey everyone, I'm Jared and welcome to Drumeo. Today, I'm going to show you around. So in October of 2014, we launched the Drumeo renovation project. And these are all the names of the people who committed some money to help us actually build the first ever Drumeo studio. And then last year, we actually built this beautiful space, which we call Studio B. And Studio B is where we host lessons on our platform called Pianote, Guitario, and Singio. Because come on, as drummers, we need some people to jam with. It can't all be about drums. So Drumeo just got a big upgrade to our studio, and we really wanted to improve what was already amazing. Okay, our audio and video was already amazing, but we wanted to make it better.
I know when you come into the studio and having a lot of cameras looking at you, it's very intimidating and it's really hard to kind of get your true skill set come out. So creating a space and an environment that made musicians feel a little bit more relaxed is really like the main purpose of my design.
So the product that we are predominantly using in the studio is called Audimute. Rather than having a lot of echo and slap and reverb sound in the room, it's just knocking that down to make the overall sound of drums and vocals and any other instrument for that matter just sound more clear and focused.
Well, from the very beginning, it started with a sketch from Christy. It's always a marriage of how do you get the acoustical to balance with the visual. This is actually custom, and this was made with the blue is the PMS blue of Drumeo. I love what the design team came up with here. These are just so cool. We use the Drumeo blue again, but on a white surface this time, and we're able to kind of bring back a little bit of that original style, but in a very cool contemporary way. Audimute team, thank you so much, because when you get outcomes like this, I cannot take credit for this. Everyone says, oh, Mitch, you did such a great job. No, I represent a team, and those folks did a great job.
Mitch from Audimute also worked in the control room with us to put up some new absorption, some new design in there so that we've got what I find to be more focused and more of a controlled sound in the listening environment. And I think when you're watching this new content at home, not only is it going to look fantastic, but I think you're really going to notice that it sounds great, it sounds really tight and focused, and that's going to help you in your learning journey, learning your instrument.
Here's what it sounded like before, and you'll hear what it sounds like afterwards. And here I am in the new Drumeo studio. Now, this could not have been possible without Mitch and his team at Audimute. They did a fantastic job, as well as the people here, Christy, who worked with Mitch on the design, Tyson and Josh on the install. It just looks and sounds absolutely fantastic. So here it is. Absolutely stunning. You notice we tried to stay true to our panels on the back wall. Now these can actually be changed. They can become black. We can do more of this blue swirl look, or we could stay with the white, which I think really pops and looks amazing. So I'm gonna get to drumming in a few seconds here because that's what's really, really important. That's what this is all about. But I really just wanna thank you, the student, for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of Drumeo's journey, from way back when we did the renovation project to now when we're still doing what we always do, hosting the greatest drummers in the world and connecting them to you in the drumming community so we can create content that lasts a lifetime and develops a legacy for drummers. So you're probably wondering when you're gonna see the new studio in action. Now we do have a lot of content filmed already with the previous look and feel, so we're still gonna be releasing that, but you're gonna see the new one interspersed throughout those releases over the coming months. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts and your feedback. You know, we really just do care about what you think about all this and what you think about what we're doing here at Drumeo and the changes that we're making. If you don't like it, just make sure you text Dave, okay, and tell him everything you don't like. But I'd love to hear your comments and your feedback just in the comment section right below this video. So go ahead, leave those there, and I'll read every single one of them.